Okay, I've got these two views already done. We're going to do three views, the top, the front, and the right side. The top and the right side is already done, so we need to project down and over. And what I mean by that is I'm going to take a very thin line, which is, you're going to use a very faint line, not very hard, dark, and I'm going to go ahead and use yellow. From the top, I'm going to go down every vertical line. I'm going to go down like so. And from the right view, I'm going to go to the left every horizontal line, which makes this little grid right here. Okay, now I need to make sense of it all. I've got my black. This is where we go dark. I'm going to go from here, this corner, and I'm going to draw up to this corner. Okay, which means I'm going to go from here and draw up. This is a dark line. Then again, I'm going to look. I stopped here and I want to go to this point right here, which is just straight over. Then if you notice, I'm at this point right here. I need to get to this point. If you notice, it's at an angle, so we're just going to go connect to the next point that goes down. Which is here. And then if you're again looking right there, it goes straight down to this point right there, which is, most of you guys get it, but then we come by and connect the dots. Now, since we have done all that, I'm going to go ahead and erase this. And what you'll do is you'll need to erase all of this anyway, so I'm going to try to get rid of it first. Let's see if I can select it all and cut it. There you go. So that's your finished product. Okay, very simply done. But that's if you have the top and the right side done for you. Now I come to the little harder ones, which is the 8-1, the bottom page. We're going to do the exact same thing. First, we need to do our projection lines. Okay, and again we go up. And this time we can go over, but it doesn't do any good because the right view is already finished. So we need to do that 45-degree angle. And then we're going to project from the right view up until it touches that 45-degree angle that we created. When it touches it, then we go straight to the left. Again, these are all light lines. Do not draw them dark. Otherwise, you'll have to do a lot of erasing. I'm going to go ahead and erase some of these different lines. Just so we can see this shape some more. I'm going to go ahead and erase those. So we've got our top view. I'm now wanting to draw this shaded area. Again, I like to always start in the bottom left corner, which is also going to be right there. Those 2 points are the same. So I'm going to go up, then all the way to the right with my dark tool, my dark line. And now I'm going to come forward. Now, if you notice, I'm right here, and I need to get to this point right around in there. So I'm just going to go back to where the line stops. Again, if you know anything about these views, it's going to look similar to this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all these yellow lines real quick. Try again. delete some at a time. There we go. And the last one, and this should be your finished product. Okay, I hope this helps get started. I'll see you soon.